Olivia.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
This girl. Olivia. Olivia.
Ben, what's happen? Ben, Olivia, you don't start this with Olivia again. What's happen?
So you just said I call you, they hear me, never answer me, Abby.
I don't answer you now. I don't answer you.
Olivia, what's it they do so?
Give me money, man. Cook better fried rice and turkey. You say no, man. You chop beans. Now this is not job relationship.
You get it?
Yes, me smart thing.
If you don't get it, forget.
Olivia, beans not be food.
Beans not be food. Beans not food. I beg you, no one dey eat beans again. I don't tire. I want you better food. Then give me better food.
Are you playing? What type of play?
So Olivia, that's how you be.
Yes, myself.
Woman.
All the time when people say they chop chicken, they chop turkey, you not complain. Just for this fit time when people say work nothing day again, I not get work again, what they do. Okay, we get beans for her, they chop beans. They chop beans, they cook beans for one, they chop. Right, yes. You say no. Eh, Olivia? But I lost my job now. You never understand it well. Okay, what did they cook like this? What did they cook like this? May I ever see the beans when they cook, Olivia? Jesus! Nigerians, when I come home, when I come see the beans when Olivia they cook. Water beans. Olivia. So now this beans is same way they chop, abi? You go look where the cook the beans give me. Is this not wickedness, eh, Olivia? Olivia, see, I'm not fit again. You pack, not for this ass. You pack. Olivia, you pass me a kitchen. See kitchen. See. Olivia, never arrange. See, they come up from my house, abi. See, yeah, they go like that. Yeah, they go like that.